guys, it's Mark from Erickson Machine and Performance. Today we're going to go through tuning 701, walk you through the different steps if it needs to be rejetted, so on and so forth. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start off on this ski on the Richter. You know, the engines sit fairly far back, so to get to all the adjustments it's going to be easier to remove the airbox. So we're going to remove the airbox, get the low speed set out of the water, then we'll bring it to the water, start tuning it. The last thing we'll do when we're done with all that is we'll put the airbox on, check the plugs one last time to make sure if there's any little changes we have to do, we can do it at that time. So let's start taking the airbox off. Alright guys, so on these carbs, the low screw is actually the lowest on the carburetor, the high screws on the highest carburetor. So the way I tune the low speed, what I found to work best for me, is I actually tune it out of the water without a load, and I'll actually tune it in to the point where you end up starting to get almost like a lean runaway, and then back it off a little. It's what I found to work best. You know, everybody has a different way of doing it. It's what works for me. I'm not telling you your method's wrong, but it's worked well for me teaching a whole bunch of people how to tune skis over the years on engines I built. So we're going to fire it up and get it to that point. If you guys will take 1 second, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. That stuff's greatly appreciated. So let's fire it up and see what it's running like. Let's take it to the water. Alright, so I'm going to show you on this single carb because it's easier to see. I'm going to put the screw on the low speed jet. We're going to fire it up and I'm going to bring it in until the idle starts to raise, and then I'm going to back it off. Alright guys, so we started the ski up, we warmed it up on the water for a little bit. So the two ways I recommend doing it is either leave it strapped to the trailer or pushed against a bulkhead or some solid surface. That way you're not cavitating when you're jumping in and out of the water, the pump's always loaded. If you don't have an option like this, you can go out, you know, a good distance, go full throttle, kill it, you know, and then read the plugs, but I found this to be the easiest way. So let's do a full throttle pull real quick and then check the plug. So when you do a full throttle pull, you're going to hold it for, you know, 8 to 10 seconds. You don't really want to go longer than that, because if you are lean, you don't want to go so long that you actually hurt something. So we're going to pull the plugs, look what they look like, and then adjust from there. perfectly brown. This plug's basically perfect. The front plug has a little bit of white, so we're going to actually richen the front hole up a smidge, and then we're going to recheck. Fire it back up. It's a lot more crisp. Yeah. This is the beauty of having a scupper. As you can see, the bottom of the hull is leaking. So they're great when you're doing freestyle if you get a lot of water inside a hull, but if you're sitting, you know, you can fill up fairly quickly. So before we check the next one, we're going to end up having to take it for a quick rip, get the water out, and then go one more time. Yeah, we're going to have to go a little bit richer on that front hole, just a smidge. Should be able to get one more pull before the end. Yeah, before we sink. That reed's leaking. Really? This is brand new ones. There we go, that's funny. Alright, let's take it for a quick rip, get the water out, we'll put the airbox on, and check it again. Now this is one of the Erickson Machine and Performance water boxes on it. In my opinion, it's one of the best sounding water boxes. 24/7 as well. Don't put your e-box there. It's a really stupid place to put an e-box farm. one issue we're having right now, the ski's tuned almost perfectly, but if you see how we have fuel vapor coming up, it's that reed's leaking or there's a damaged pedal. So, but we will get it tuned to where we're basically as good as we're going to get it. We'll be able to have fun with it, and then we'll just have to replace the reeds. So you can see that's basically a perfect plug. Nice chocolate brown. This one's a little bit lighter, so we're going to open that up a little bit, and we're going to put the airbox on it and see if anything changes from there. C12 does sound good and smell good in the morning. Alright, so we got the airbox back on. Took it for another quick rip, drain the water out of the hole. We're going to give it a full throttle pull again, check the plugs. If they're good, we're good to go. Unfortunately, doing this, we see that we have to replace the reeds in it, but we'll get it to the point where it needs to be. So let's fire her up. Go. Nice and chocolatey brown. Now, time to go take it apart and replace the reeds. Alright guys, if you guys are still here, thanks for watching. You take a second, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. You guys have a good day.